Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos on iPhone 16e. To hide photos, just go to Photos app and select the photo that you want to hide. So let's hide something. And to do it, click on it, then click on three dots in top right corner and click on Hide. Then click on Hide Photo, and now the photo has been hidden. And if you go to Utilities, then the hidden photos will be here, and in order to view them, you need to first provide your Face ID or passcode after clicking on View Album. Then here you can see all my hidden photos. These are all of the ones that I have hidden, but also you can hide the hidden album. So you can see now it's visible here, but as I go to Settings, then scroll down all the way down to Apps and go to Photos. Just gonna search for the letter. Okay, now we can find the I can't see, Show Hidden Album. And if you disable it, then it will disappear from here, as you can see. And if you enable it back again, then it will appear, but of course will still require the Face ID. So it's really secure and you can store your private photos here. And in order to unhide the photo, click on it, click on three dots in top right corner and click on Unhide. And it'll go back to the same place as it was before. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.